Birds. Birds are the only animals that can fly. They have feathers which makes their body light and fluffy and easy to fly. A bird has a different types of feathers on its body. The types of the feathers are: first, down feathers help to keep the body warm. Second, body feathers help to give the bird body its shape. Flight feathers are found on the wings and the tail. They help the bird to fly. How birds fly? A bird's body is well suited for flying. Its body is boat shaped. This helps it to cut through the air easily. Aeroplanes also have a boat shaped body so that they can cut through the air and fly easily. Second thing is its bones are light and hollow. This makes its body very light. A bird has wings instead of arms. The wings are joined to its body with a very strong muscle. The muscles help the wings flap up and down. The tail helps to change the direction while flying. Bird's tail help the bird to change the direction. The wings of the bird make two movements, that's upstroke and the downstroke. It's quite like how we move our arms when we swim. Flying differently. Pigeon, swallows, cranes and geese can fly very long distance. Hens and peacocks fly only a short distance. Vulture and eagles fly high up in the sky. Sparrow and bulbuls fly lower down. Some birds cannot fly. The ostrich, the kiwi and emu cannot fly. The penguin also cannot fly. Instead, it uses its wings to swim with. Beaks. Different birds eat different food, so their beaks are also of different shapes and sizes. All beaks are hard. Birds have no teeth to help them break their food. Most of their chewing is done inside their bodies. Vulture and owls are meat eaters. Their beaks is sharp and hooked. It helps them to tear the animal flesh. The hooper has a long, thin beak. It uses it to pick insects from the ground. A woodpecker has a very strong, sharp beak. It can make holes in hard tree trunk. This is how it makes its nest. It also catches insects hiding in the trunk. A sparrow and hen are seed eaters. They have a short beak to break and crush seeds. A parrot's curved beak helps it to eat hard seed, nuts and fruits. Kingfisher and herons are fish eaters. They have sharp, pointed beak. They dive into the water to catch fish. A duck's beak. A duck's beak is special. It takes muddy water in its flat beak. Insects and plants remain inside. The water flows out of holes in its lower beak. Feet and claws. The shape and size of a bird's feet and claws depends on where it lives. They also depends on what and how it eats. Birds like crow and sparrow perch on branches. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at back. The back toe curls around the branch so the bird does not fall off. It stays on the branch when the wind blows hard and even when it sleeps. This was something about the wonderful world of birds. In the next video we will discuss something more. Thank you.